Okay, let's refresh our page, and there is no question here. So I created a PDF file using download as PDF for this Wikipedia page, and let's upload that and see how it works. So in the background, the first step is uploading the file to OpenAI Files API, and that returns back a file ID to us. When we get the file ID, we pass that to a function we created to generate response, which takes care of reading the file, using the prompt we created to generate questions in JSON format. And when the question generation is done, we can go to the student section and we can see 3 questions that got generated. In the prompt, I defined to generate 3 questions, but you can ask the model to generate more than 3. So it's done. When I go here, as you see, there are 3 different questions here. I ran this a couple of times and double checked on Wikipedia, and I saw these are exactly the context that exists on Wikipedia.